Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. To this video, I have another unboxing video from Gucci. So I ordered this online, so I got this last 2 days ago. So I guess it's time to unbox this and open this box. Look at it, how they put all this tape around this. It's got this, I got the scissor in here. Oh man. Okay, how to let's do this way. Easy. Oops. Got more for that. And the packaging. So, oh my god, struggle to open this. I can do this. There we go. Let me try the other side. Finally, it's open. So, there you go. The Gucci. It's really nice, the package of this one. And it has a, what is this? It said beauty salon. It's what's inside. Everything's I don't know what it is. Let's see. Oh, it's like a sample of perfume. And I guess this is it says, thank you. We look forward to assisting you again at Gucci. It's like a thank you card. That's good. It's really nice one. Proof of purchase and return. Side. And they also give me this shopping bag. Oh man, look at this. It's that. So let's open what I got from Gucci. I like the way they wrap in this. Oh no. So this is my wish list last year. I've been eyeing this for so long, so I don't know if I worth it to buy this one or what. It is a belt, the Gucci Marmont in small size. This is the one. It's the size I got is size 70. I tried the medium one of this, and it's kind of thick for me, and I don't know. I'm really petite woman, so I don't know if it's good for get a medium size or the smaller one. But when I one time I talked to the personnel at the Selfridges, he said that the medium is way better than smaller, but I don't know. For me, I like the small one. Oh man, oh, I can't wait to start this one. Anyway, yep, that's all I got from Gucci. Finally, I got this one, and like I said, I cannot wear to style with this and a dress and a jeans. So I hope you like this kind of video. Please give a thumbs up and do subscribe if you like it, this kind of video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.